Now, I know y'all think I be lying, but I promise you I'm telling the truth. Y'all made the best mac and cheese that I have ever made in my life. Okay, so first, grab you some of that Kerry Gold butter. I know groceries is $3,000, but I need you to get this butter. Go ahead, put that butter all over your tinfoil pan. I boiled my noodles with that Better Than Bouillon chicken concentrate, as well as a little bit of oil and then some salt. For my noodles, I did go ahead and season them with seasoning salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic, and a little Mrs. Dash. I cracked 1 egg and mixed it in well. I'm using evaporated milk. I did end up using about 1.5 cans, and that was perfect. It was just right. Now this cheese, baby, let me tell you about this cheese. I hand grated this cheese and my arms wanted to fall off, but I promise you, the quality of your cheese matters. I use 5 different kinds. I believe I used pepper jack, Monterey jack, Colby jack, extra sharp cheddar, and mild cheddar. And the flavors together was mwah, chef's kiss. I promise you, sis. So I did go ahead and mix everything together. Now, when it comes to the seasonings, you don't want to over season your mac, but you also don't want to under season it. Because if you don't season mac properly, it's just going to taste like noodles and cheese. And nobody wants that. I know I don't in my house. But yeah, hey, I'm speaking for myself. Anyway, I did go ahead and bake this on 350. And you know we had to add the paprika. You know, just for color, obviously. But I did go ahead and add some paprika on top, as well as a little bit of parsley. So this is only after 15 minutes of it being in the oven. I'm now going to take some of that Kerry Gold butter again and throw some on top. We didn't throw it on top the first 15, but we are going to do it the last 15 to 20. Y'all, when I say this was so good, oh my God.